pupusas with an Salvadorean Curtido. Ingredients: Curtido, half head of cabbage, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 medium carrot grated, 1 tablespoon dried Mexican oregano. If you can't find Mexican oregano, use Italian. 1 cup hot water, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar. Pupusa dough: 3 cups, 11.8 ounces / 334 grams, masa harina, such as maseca. 2 teaspoons kosher salt. 2 3/4 cup cold water, from the faucet is fine. Filling: 2 cups, 7.5 ounces, shredded mozzarella, or Oaxacan cheese or any other melty cheese. Half cup pickled jalapeño peppers diced. Half cup diced roasted butternut squash. For hands: 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons olive oil or neutral oil. Instructions: to make the curtido. To a medium bowl, toss together the cabbage, carrots and Mexican oregano. In a measuring cup, stir together the hot water, vinegar, salt and sugar, pour it over the cabbage, carrot mixture. Allow it to come to room temperature and then cover it with plastic wrap and transfer it to the fridge for at least 4 hours and preferably a day before serving. To make the pupusa dough. In a medium bowl, whisk together the masa harina and salt. Pour in the cold water and using a spatula, stir the masa until mostly combined. Then, using your hands, mix the dough until a very soft dough forms. The dough will be very soft. This is totally okay. This means a delicious pupusa is on the way. I found it easiest to use a 2-ounce ice cream scoop and scoop out the masa into balls onto a piece of parchment. You could also do this with your hands, but be sure to make the water, oil mixture above and coat your hands with it first. To assemble the pupusas. Add the water to a measuring cup and pour in the oil. You can eyeball this. Lightly dip your hands in the water, oil mixture, making sure your palms are evenly coated. This will make it so the masa doesn't stick to your hands. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to place the pupusas in the oven while I make the rest of the pupusas so they can stay warm and melty. I placed a cooling rack atop a baking sheet and placed it in the oven. Working one at a time, flatten the balls gently until they're about 1/2 inch thick discs. Place a tablespoon or 2 of mozzarella cheese, a small bit of diced jalapeño and squash into the center and wrap the dough around the filling, creating a half-moon shape. Pinch the edges to seal it completely. And then pat the dough gently, flattening it and alternating hands until it reaches about 1/4 inch thick and about 4 inches in diameter. Feel free to re-grease your hands as needed. Repeat with the remaining balls of dough. Meanwhile, preheat a cast iron skillet over medium heat. Add a teaspoon of neutral oil and brush the surface with a silicone brush. Add the pupusas to the pan, fitting 2 to 3 at a time. Don't be shy to break out another cast iron skillet, if you own it. Cook each pupusa for 4 to 6 minutes per side and then transfer to the baking sheet in the oven. Repeat this process until you've worked your way through all of the pupusas. To serve the pupusas. Serve the pupusas with the curtido, wedges of lime and salsa,